For the vacancy in the technology department, I project in 5 years already with a specialization in a data analytics with a higher position, and of course I seek to give back in favor of the service. A lot of the learning botanic in the university. And my routines is I am highly competitive. I have more than 4 years of experience in customer service. I want to do a master's degree in data analytics. I am a person very competent to my work. I am a very creative person with a high level of course service.